Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install and run Node.js program in Visual Studio Code. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we'll go for our Google Chrome browser. You can pick any of your favorite browser and then search here Node.js. After that you will get Node.js.run JavaScript everywhere. So if you click on that, and then you will get download Node.js LTS version. So we're going to download it and click on download and we're going to download. So it will take some seconds to complete and it's completed. And now we're going to click on the folder icon, click on the Node.js version. I'm going to minimize all the background app. After we're going to click on next and click on I accept the terms in the license agreement and then click next. Next another time, next and install. So it will take 2 or 3 minutes. After completing the installation, we're going to click on the finish and then we're going to go for the file explorer, go for local C drive and then go for programs and find Node.js. So here is Node.js. We're going to go for the Node.js modules, or we can simply copy the path and then we'll go for our search option. I'm going to search for environment variables, going for open. Click on environment variables and then go for path, click edit, new and paste it. Okay. Everything is all right. And now we're going to look for downloading Visual Studio Code. So I already downloaded Visual Studio Code in my computer. If you didn't download Visual Studio Code, I have made a specific video how to download Visual Studio Code in your Windows. Go and watch it. So after downloading and installing Visual Studio Code, we're going to open the Visual Studio Code. So before that, we're going to recheck here by searching CMD and type here. And here we're going to type node space -- call version and click enter and you will get the Node.js version called v22.16.0. So we rightly installed Node.js and now we're going to run it. So for that, we're going to come over into Visual Studio Code and going to click on the file. And after that, here we're going to open a folder and going to create a new folder. Type here Node.js. Select the folder and here we're going to create a Node.js project. So here we're going to create admin.js, going to save it. So after we're going to type Node.js program hello world and after we're going to save it and then we're going to run it to the terminal and boom, here is the hello world and we rightly run the program for the Node.js and this is how we can simply do that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.